Why do dividend investors choose these three stocks I'm going to tell you about over the growth stocks? This is what we study in our lives. These are the stocks that are coming up in June for dividend payments. These three dividend stocks aren't just income plays, they're strategic portfolio moves. First up, let's talk about Main, ticker symbol MAIN. They are a business development company, what's known as a BDC. They lend to middle market businesses. Their monthly dividend structure provides consistent cash flow for reinvestment, 6.9% yield backed by a diversified loan portfolio. They have a strong track record. They've never reduced their dividends since 2007 when they launched their IPO. It's smart because it provides exposure to private credit markets most investors can't access. Next, in our live, we taught about NAVI, which is coming up for a dividend payment. And they are a student loan servicer transitioning business model post-government contracts. They're paying a 4.61% yield while trading at really potentially undervalued levels. The company returned to capital to shareholders through buybacks and through paying of dividends to their shareholders. It's a strategic turnaround story with strong cash generation. It's a risk versus reward play for investors who understand what it is for businesses to transform. Finally, we have TELUS Corporation. TELUS is a Canadian telecom with essential infrastructure assets. They offer a 7.13% yield from a regulated utility-like business model. They focus in on 5G network investments, creating long-term competitive disadvantages. Their currency diversification for U.S. investors works. Their defensive sector with pricing and reoccurring revenue streams work. And these are not get-rich-quick plays by any means. These are just the next stocks that are getting ready to come up in June that are announcing their dividends that we look at. And we look at lots of stocks, over 6,000 of them to look at per year. We look at the portfolio diversification. We look at the benefits of each stock. Dividends are just one factor to analyze the entire business before investing, and that's what we do every week in my live teaching. Follow me for more strategic investment analysis, and I look forward to learning with you.